Hello there. Well, as you can see, we are in Greece, and I thought this was a good place to think and come up with good ideas. IMTS is on the way, but let me put on something a little more comfortable. So, IMTS is coming September 12th through 17th, and wouldn't you know, MTD is flying in people from all over the world, from the UK, from Latin America, to help support this event with a live streaming. And you wouldn't believe all the booths we're be at this event. Now, I'm excited, I'm ready to be excited with you, but how do we all get ready for IMTS? Let's take a quick moment to show you how I'm getting ready, and I hope you'll join me as well. Well, my friends, that's how I'm getting ready for IMTS. And once again, September 12th through 17th, I look forward to seeing you there along with the MTD CNC team streaming live. It's not too late to jump in, but there are only a couple of spots left. One last time, welcome to beautiful Greece.